Welcome all. This is our lecture 46, and in this lecture we will cover the topic PowerPoint templates. How can we use the given templates, or we can say previously provided templates by the app to the user. If your data, your content allows you to use a particular template, then you can use this. First of all, we will take a look on the history of PowerPoint. In 1984, Robert Gaskins created PowerPoint. This is the slideshow presentation software, and at that time, as same, it was used to present any idea, any skills, okay, via the overhead projectors. In 1987, Microsoft purchased the software and after this released it with the Office suite and add this particular one with its Office suite, and it have changed in the original version, and continuously the company is changing the interface and making the app more easy to use or more user friendly. Every Office suite softwares are very easy to use. The template, as you all know, templates are the pre-made design which you can use, and we can say we can reuse it as per our need. Okay, we can edit the previously provided data from our data. What is the use? As we can say, the templates use the default setting, the font size, the color, styles, and any other styling tools were according to the developer of that particular template. Okay, here I want to mention that if your data allows, okay, if your need meets to the particular template, so that you can use that one. Otherwise, you should use a blank presentation. Okay, but here is an advantage with the to use templates. It will save our time. How? It will provide you the time to enter the text or alter the text only. You have not think that what would be the background of this particular slide, where to put the text, and many more things. By these things you can save your time. Here, what is the difference between templates and masters? Templates consist of a collection of master slides. Okay, it have some previously prepared slides, and these combination of these master slides will form a template. Okay, The cover master, for instance, typically utilizes larger centered font sizes and larger image sizes for impact. Okay, so we can say a template is a collection of some different masters. How to acquire additional templates? As you know, as you will click on the templates option, then the app will provide you the different type of templates. But if your need is not satisfying with these provided templates, so you can acquire new one. You can download additional templates from the site of Microsoft Office as well, or also you can use and download the additional templates from third parties on the internet. Okay, the templates that Microsoft have not made, other third party have made, then you can use. Okay, so this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.